You've earned a little comfort in your life. Let the Bruno Elite Custom Curve Stairlift bring you up and down your staircase safely and easily. Simply take a seat, push the armrest control, and the Bruno Elite effortlessly glides you up the stairs. When you reach the top landing, pull the lever, and the offset swivel seat rotates 90 degrees and extends away from the steps for a safe exit. Bruno's custom-crafted rail beautifully follows the curves of your staircase and is the foundation for the Elite's extraordinarily stable and smooth ride from start to finish. And with Bruno's Elite hidden gear rack, you see only the graceful rail. You'll travel your stairs in comfort with the Elite's padded luxury quality seat with adjustable armrests. Fold Elite's arms, seat, and footrest when the stairlift is not in use to maximize space on your steps. If a second rider would like to use the lift, wireless remote controls allow them to call or send the stairlift up or down the stairs. To ensure safety, Bruno's Elite features a retractable seat belt and obstruction safety technology that gently stops the lift if an object on the stairs is in the way. Ask your local Bruno dealer about customizing your Bruno Elite with power options, custom colors, or unique rail park positions to tailor fit your abilities and home. Bruno's Elite Custom Curve Stairlift combines luxury styling, high-performance engineering, and made-in-America craftsmanship. Make getting up and down your stairs easy again with a Bruno Elite Curved Stairlift.